First of all, welcome to Red Star, welcome to Serbia. What made you accept the offer? Why Red Star?
I wanted to come to Red Star because my dad is Serbian for starters, which meant that I had the ability to connect with my roots and where my blood is from. So that was one of the good reasons why I chose Zvezda. Also how big of the club is, the amazing history it has, all the trophies that they've won and all the competitive competitions they compete in. Champions League, for example, is something that I wanted to do and see myself doing well in this season and hopefully more. But yeah, it was a group decision between me and my family, and I think we made the right decision.
Oh, that's fine. How do you feel here in Serbia?
I feel good. I feel like it's been home.
Like home?
Yeah, exactly. You took the words out of my mouth. I felt as soon as I touched down in Belgrade, I felt at home. And like I say, it's cliche, but connected with my roots. I met family that I'd never met before, and people that my dad was friends with a long time ago, and just being able to talk with them and meet them in itself is a special moment.
Yes. You don't speak Serbian?
No.
Any words, you know?
Oh, the simple ones, hvala, dobar dan,
Hvala, dobar dan.
normal stuff, but I will learn for sure. I think I'm picking things up very quickly because my dad spoke to me a lot in Serbian when I was little, but we never spoke.
Serbian is easy to speak.
I think so. I think I'll learn it quite fast. Yeah.
What did you hear about Red Star before you come here?
I knew firstly how big of a club it is, how much they've achieved over the years after the past few decades with how they've won a Champions League, and also about the fans and how awesome they are, and I personally love having that almost like a 12th man on the pitch, so the 11 players and then the fans make the 12, and it's a huge push for the players and huge motivation for us to win games, and I knew it was one of the best fans in the world, if not the best fans in the world, so it was a huge honour and I can't wait to experience that.
Yes, that's true. For fans, does people there know about Star in New Zealand?
Yeah, well, we had a former player from New Zealand who actually played for Red Star. I'm not sure how much about how he played and how many games he played, but I know he had a good experience. He told me good things about the club and how good it would be for me, and for me that was an insurance that I would have a good time here.
Okay, number on your jersey, some meaning or?
Yeah, like I think number 6 is the heart of the team, and that's sort of the role that Zvezda want me to be, and that's the role that I want to be for the club and for my teammates. So I think the 6 is a very iconic number, and I'm looking forward to owning up to the expectations of a number 6.
Okay. What we can expect from you in a red-white dress?
I think for me it's giving 100%, and I think that's all anyone can really ask for from any player, and I think that's something that I've implemented in my game for the last 3 years, that it's important to give everything and leave everything you have on the pitch. As an individual, I like to both attack and defend. I find joy in doing both, so I think I'm going to have a good time and work with some really good people around the club and improving these strengths that I have.
Okay, now we have some interesting question for you.
Yeah.
What will you do if you were not a football player?
That's a good question. I have a hobby of DJing.
Really?
Mixing music. So I like house music and techno, and a lot of my friends did that before I actually moved to Europe, and those are my best friends. They actually continued doing DJing, and
on party you are DJ.
Yeah, well, I don't party so much because of obviously football, but it's nice when I go home to New Zealand and we have a boys' room and a DJ decks, and we have some people around, and it's nice to mix music, all the music that we love. So I'd like to think I am, but yeah, it's
better DJ or football player?
Oh, football player for sure. Yeah.
Game when it rains or when it's hot outside?
When it's hot outside, I prefer that. Yeah, this weather now is what I love most. I think I like playing in this weather.
Okay. Your biggest fear?
I think my biggest fear would be losing my family. I think they mean the most to me, and also just being able to have them in my life and helping them throughout my process in football. I think that's the biggest positive for me, and if I didn't have them, I don't know what I would do. So I think that's one of my biggest fears. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Some player you would like to play against?
Some player I have played against or want to play against?
Want to play.
I think I would love to play against Messi. Messi would be a good test for me as a defender, see if I can defend against him. Yeah.
Yes. If you didn't know, how old are you?
Okay.
What will you say?
Okay. I've had this from a lot of people. They think I'm a lot older, so I'm 21.
Yes, I think too.
But I think I would say 24, 25 maybe.
Okay,
yeah.
not too much older.
Yeah.
If you have a chance to change the thing in the world, one thing, what will it be?
It's a good question. I think, deep down, I think it would be nice to eliminate poverty. I think it's important for all of us to be equal, and it would be nice for everyone to live a nice and peaceful life. And unfortunately, there are some who are not living the best of lives, and it would be nice if everyone could have a good life, I guess. Yeah.
Can you speak Hobbitish?
No.
You're from New Zealand. Lord of the Rings.
Hobbitish?
Yeah, Lord of the Rings.
Yeah.
From there.
Yeah,
New Zealand.
of course.
So
You
there's
know,
like a superstition that all the hobbits live there. And they have Hobbitish language. Do you speak it?
You can?
To be fair, I've never seen a hobbit in my life, but they might live down in the caves, and I might have to go look for them when I go home this winter. But if I find one, I'll take a selfie and send it to you. Yeah. If I was to say something to the fans, I would say I'm really happy to be playing for this amazing club. I can't wait to see you all in the stadium and play in front of you all, and I hope we can achieve all of our goals together and having a successful season.